Verbs, in English, can take several basic forms, which differ in their functions in a sentence. Infinitive. The infinitive is the base form of a verb. The infinitive is used with to
do, to be, to have.
Using to, we identified the word as a verb.
Drink, to drink. Smoke, to smoke. Cook, to cook.
Without to.
Do, be, have.
Infinitives without to are verbs from a dictionary. Infinitives without to are used to create all forms of verbs. Present tense. The present tense is the form of a verb that expresses actions in the present. Usually, the verb in the present tense is the same as the base verb.
Fly. Birds fly. Dance. I dance. Have. We have a car.
But the third person, singular, takes s at the end.
Run. She runs. Eat. He eats. Love. She loves him. Does. Goes. Fixes. Catches. Passes. Pushes. Flies. Cries. Plays. Praise.
Past tense. The past tense is the form of a verb that expresses actions in the past. To form a verb in the past tense, we usually add ed to the base verb.
Want. Wanted. work, worked. Open, opened. Move, moved.
But some verbs are irregular in the past tense.
Do, did. Have, had. Go, went. Begin, began. Was, were.
Past participle. The past participle is the verb form that expresses completed actions. To form a verb in the past participle, we usually add ed to the base verb.
Help, helped. Play, played. Ask, asked. Use, used.
But some verbs are irregular in the past participle.
Do, done. Have, had. Go, gone. Begin, begun. Been.
As the methods of forming the past tense and the past participle are the same, they are often displayed together in the same table. Present participle. The present participle is the verb form that expresses continuing actions. To form a verb in the present participle, we usually add ing to the base verb.
Do, doing. Be, being. Cook, cooking. Read, reading.
For verbs ending with the not pronounced letter E, eliminate the E before adding ing.
Writing, joking, coming.
For verbs ending with IE, change IE to Y before adding ing.
Lying, dying.
If a verb ends with one vowel plus one consonant, and this vowel is stressed, double the final consonant before adding ing.
Hitting, forgetting. planning, beginning,
Choose the correct forms.
to work, work, works, worked, worked, working, to call, call, calls, called, called, calling, to begin, begin, begins, began, begun, beginning, to do, do, does, did, done, doing, to have, have, has, had, had, having, to be, am, is, are, was, were, been, being, Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.